Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Envato AI and Designs AI to see which one is better for branding and content creation in 2025. Envato AI is great if you're looking for a massive library of creative assets combined with AI power tools that help speeding up your design process. It offers tons of templates, graphics, and video assets that makes branding easier, especially if you want to ready-made elements with a professional look. Designs AI is more of all in one place, creating a suite that's going beyond just assets. It uses AI to help your design, logos, create videos, generate social media content, and even write a copy, all from one platform. This makes it a strong choice if you want to build your brand from the group up with a streamlined content creation. If you prefer quick access to a vast collection of resources with AI support, Envato AI is solid. But if you want a full toolkit that covers branding, content, and marketing materials with AI-driven automation, Designs AI it could be the better fit. And that's all. Thanks for watching. If this helped you decide between Envato AI and Designs AI, please like the video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more branding and content creation tutorials and guides. See you in the next time.